Itong book na ito features all the illustrations by Jim Lee for his iconic X-Men trading card set back in the 90s. Mababasa rin natin yung history ng X-Men as a title and also yung history ng mismong card set. Tapos nakita ko to, special mention yung palengke cards na kinokolekta natin nung bata tayo. Sabi rito, wax pack from bootleg set produced in the Philippines. Then ito pa, sabi sa mismong book, the cards and Jim Lee's artwork lived on well beyond the release of the Impel set in 1992. Within a few months, an unknown entrepreneur in the Philippines had copied the cards front and back and produced a bootleg set for the Filipino market. So yun, part ng X-Men card history yung ating palengke cards. Hindi ako sure kung nakaka-proud or nakakahiya, no? Pero definitely very nostalgic na makita ulit yung palengke cards.